Activation, meaning recognize those limiting beliefs. So we're peeling back the layers and being able to recognize, what's holding us back? What's holding us back from reaching our greatest potential? Replacing those lies with the truth. That's where we start to awaken. Like, you know how it is, like when you wake up with an awakening and it's like, oh, okay. And now we are going to align. We are going to move into alignment, meaning walking in purpose through faith and action. And I stand in my sovereignty as a daughter of the King.
So recognizing and having the activation, it's awareness is the key. So if you're not aware, you can't do the rest. You're not able to make true, real changes in your life and align because you can't awaken without knowing.